Welcome back. Part 2. This is topic 4, lesson 5. I'm on page 111, number 1. Page 111. Ready? Let us continue. I know I'm going to need these unit bars because they certainly help, don't they? Ready? Ryan made a CD of his favorite songs. There are 42 minutes of time on the CD. What is the average length of each song? Well, how much time is on the CD? It tells me the total right there. I know it's 42 minutes. 42 minutes. How many songs are there? 14. I want you to notice something. So I'm going to split that right in half. I'll even put 14. See if I can get 14. Let's see if I can get 14. There's 4. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to put another 7 on this side. There's 4. There's 14 total. I could even count them if I needed to. Now that I have everything I need, I look back at this and it says, what is the average length of each song? I could put any variable I want in there. I could put S for song. I could put M for minute. Okay, so I could put an S in each one of these. Right? Now I know that I could do it like this. 42 divided by 14 equals the length of the song. That's supposed to be an S. That's one way to do it. I could also do it like this. 42 divided by S equals 14. I could do 14S. 14S. 14 times S equals 42. Any of those ways would work. Make sense? I could solve any of these. 42 divided by 14. I could pull this over to the side. Is it 4? Is it 3? It's 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3, 4. Each song is 3 minutes long, right? So I know that each song, S, equals 3. I want to show you this one again. Let's look at number 1. Again, I want to show you a different way. Okay, there's nothing wrong with the way I just showed you. Watch this one. Here's the same question. Oops, kind of crooked, but it will work. I know it's 42 minutes long. The entire CD is 42 minutes long. Let's say I don't want to break this into 14. You might see it like this time. 1, 2, 3, and then you'll see an arrow, sometimes a dotted line or a crooked line, and it will tell you how many boxes there are. You have to understand the concept to be able to take that shortcut with boxes here. You know that there's how many there? There's 14 of them. So notice I can still do 42 divided by 14 equals S, or 14S equals 42, or 42 divided by S. Do you see this little shortcut method when you're forced to draw a lot of boxes? I'm going to turn it back around. I don't think 14 is a lot. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Let's move on. Let's do another one. How about this one down here? 4. Ready? A unit bar. David saves $15 each week that he earns babysitting. $15 each week. How much money, after 8 weeks, how much money will he have saved? Do I know the total? No, I'm trying to find the total. So I don't know the total. I do know that there's 8 weeks. There's 4. There's 8. And each one I earn $15. I could put 15 in each one of these. I could solve this. I'm going to slide this up. I could do 8 times 15. Here's one way. 8 times 15 equals the total. There's one way. Here's another one. T divided by 15 equals 8. And the third way. T divided by 8 divided by 8 equals 15. Any of those ways is going to do it. I could look at this. 4 times 15 is that 60? Yes, so this must be 120, correct? T equals 120. I look back. How much will he earn after 8 weeks? 120 bucks. Let's do another one. Ready? Oh, good. I don't want to show you that one. Okay, this one, notice on 5, they're giving you the picture. I wish they wouldn't. Let's just make our own. Okay, number 5. I'm going to set up a unit bar like this. It reads, the Technology Club pools their money, which means they put their money together. When you pool money, they put their money together to buy robot parts. They divide the parts among 13 members. Each member gets 24 parts. Okay, I could make 13 members. Here they are. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and I could go like this and go, there's 13 members. So let's try that shortcut on this one. There are 13 members. They each get 24 parts. And it says, find the total. So the total is unknown. Ready? I'm going to slide this up. You could do 24 times 13 equals the total. There's one way. Another way, T divided by 24 equals 13. How about T divided by 13? Any of those ways would help you solve that problem. Have you noticed I've stopped solving these here? Okay, you can try these. I'm showing you how to do these. Let's go on. Let me pause for one moment. Ready? Stop sharing. Let us pause. Let's take a look at number 6. This is on page 112, number 6. I'm going to draw a unit bar. This says persevere. In other words, don't give up. It says, in a lunch survey, 3 times as many students preferred soft tacos as preferred pizza. Okay, 3 times as many prefer soft tacos. 3 times as many. And it tells us 324 students preferred soft tacos. Well, more of them must have preferred soft tacos. In fact, 3 times as many. So this must be pizza. Because notice when I block just one of these, here's how many people like pizza. And the whole bar is how many people like soft tacos, which is that amount. Once I have that set up, I can look at this and go, here's again, 3 ways to solve this. I could go 3p equals 324. I could say 324 divided by p equals 3. I could also say 324 divided by 3 equals p. Let us go on. Let's do another one. Let's do number 8. Let us do number 8. There's number 8. Vicky handing out stickers. I'm going to block that. They're telling us, they're saying, look, solve it like this, and they're giving it to you. Let's block that. And let's identify 3 ways how to solve this. Number 8, draw a unit bar. Oops, a little crooked. Vicky hands out stickers to 23 students. There's 23 students. Each child gets 9 stickers. How many stickers were there to begin with? So we don't know the total. We don't know the total. That's a T. How many students are there? 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't want to draw any more students. So I tell myself that there's 23 of them. This arrow is supposed to go all the way to the end. Sometimes you see this dotted, okay? There's 23 there. Each child got 9 stickers. I'm going to move this up. I'm going to block that. Look at the 3 ways that I could solve this. 9 times 23 equals T. I could also do T divided by 9. T divided by 9 equals 23. I could also do T divided by 23 equals 9. I look back at the question. It says, how many stickers were there to begin with? They said use this one. They said S divided by 23. Okay, they used S for stickers. I used T. They had this one. S divided by 23. I have a T. No big deal. I'm going to pull this over to the side. T divided by 23 equals 9. Do you agree? This is the same thing. This is a division. How do I undo a division? I use the inverse operation. Those go away. I bring down the T. What I do to one side, I do to the other. That means this side needs to be multiplied by 23. 9 times 3 is 27, 18, 19, 20. How many total stickers were there to begin with? 207. That is the end of part 2. There may or may not be one more video. That's 2 right now. End of part